Why did Adolf Hitler persecute the Jews during World War II? This question often arises when examining the horrors of the Holocaust and the motivations behind one of history's darkest chapters. To understand this, we must look at a combination of historical, social, and personal factors. Antisemitism in Europe was not new. It had existed for centuries. By the late 19th and early 20th centuries, widespread prejudices and stereotypes about Jewish people permeated many societies. During this time, Germany faced economic difficulties, social unrest, and political instability. Some saw Jews as convenient scapegoats. Hitler leveraged these prejudices to galvanize support for his agenda, blaming Jews for Germany's defeat in World War I and the subsequent economic depression. Hitler's ideological beliefs also played a crucial role. Rooted in a distorted and toxic interpretation of nationalism, Hitler viewed Jews as racially inferior, perpetuating a myth of racial purity and supremacy. He saw Jews not just as religious or cultural outsiders, but as an existential threat. This pseudoscientific racism was further propagated to gain public support for his radical policies. Moreover, Hitler's personal experiences and writings, like Mein Kampf, offer insight into his deep-seated hatred for Jews. He believed they conspired to control world affairs, manipulate economies, and undermine nations. Propaganda became a powerful tool, spreading fear and enmity towards Jews, which further fueled public sentiment against them. Thus, the persecution of Jews under Hitler was a complex blend of societal prejudices, political opportunism, racial theories, and personal vendettas. It wasn't just a result of ancient stereotypes, but carefully crafted ideologies designed to bolster Hitler's power and justify the unspeakable atrocities committed during the Holocaust. As we remember this history, we must remain vigilant against hatred and intolerance, ensuring the lessons of the past inform a more just future.